Welcome. In this video, we'll explore the 5 whys technique, a powerful tool for finding the root cause of problems. Problems are a natural part of life and work. Often, we address symptoms instead of the real underlying causes. Superficial solutions won't eliminate problems. Root cause analysis, or RCA, is crucial for lasting change. 5 whys is a simple RCA tool. It involves repeatedly asking why to get to the root cause, developed by Taiichi Onino at Toyota. To apply 5 whys, describe the problem, ask why, repeatedly, stop when you find the root, and then take action. Let's illustrate with an example. The car won't start. Why? The battery is dead. Why? The alternator isn't charging, and so on, leading to an imperfect maintenance schedule. The advantages of 5 whys are its simplicity, ease of use, focus on cause and effect, and ability to avoid superficial solutions. It's not for highly complex systems, and its effectiveness relies on participants' knowledge. It may also stop at human error without exploring system issues. Focus on why, not blame. Be objective. Involve those who know the problem. Dig deep, and ensure each answer is the cause of the previous statement. Now, let's try this yourself. Choose a simple problem, describe it, ask why, repeatedly, and identify the root cause. Then, propose a solution. How easy was it? Were there unexpected reasons? How does this change your view of problems? Where else can you apply this technique? 5 whys is a simple path to root causes. Focus on the system, practice with real problems, and explore other RCA tools for deeper analysis. Choose a problem this week, apply 5 whys, share your insights or difficulties in the comments, and discuss with colleagues. Let's practice.